What's up, guys? We are back in the mountains doing a little camping this week, and we've stopped. We've been to this waterfall before. We're gonna go take this trail and check out a waterfall here. Nice little bridge. So, stay tuned. We'll check back when we get further up the trail. Alright, guys. Can hear the waterfall. I think we're getting close. See some white water up ahead. Quick check. Everybody's still in tow. So here we go. I think we've coming to the end of the trail. You may notice that we're one dog short on this trip. Tank did not make the trip with us. He's a lot of work, and we want to do a lot more riding this time, so we left him. But here we are. We've reached our destination here. Get up here. Be careful on the rocks. It's a little slippy. And there is the waterfall. There it is. The boys have their fishing poles, so they're going to cast here and see if they catch anything. I don't know. It is a deep little pool here, so we'll see what happens. Alright, guys, we're headed back from the waterfall. We took some pictures, did a little fishing. I got my feet soaking wet, trying to get the perfect shot for all of YouTube land. So I hope you appreciate the effort and energy that we put into making this video. I told Christine I was not going to take my shoes off and I was to go barefooted because I didn't want to get my feet wet. Instead, I slipped on a rock and wet not only my feet but my shoes. So score one for me. Looks like I'll be wearing wet shoes back to the car. So we're headed back now with wet feet, but this is probably one of my favorite little trails that we take. It's probably the most secluded. Big waterfall at the end. It follows the river most of the way. So very nice trail, but it's getting late in the afternoon and deep in the mountains it gets dark very quickly, so we couldn't waste or spend a lot of time fishing at the falls. If we get closer, we might fish closer to the car, but I certainly don't want it to get dark and us still be as far as we are from the car. So hope you enjoyed that little excursion at the expense of my wet feet. See ya.